Look, he's trying to do a split.
Oh, don't sit on the ground. Get up. Mason, get up. Don't get dirty. Brush off his butt. There we go. Got a white shirt on. Oh, jeez. No mud. Careful. Not a big kid.
Is he laughing or crying?
He's laughing. Running from her. Silly kid. Careful. Be careful, honey. Slow down. Them sandals. I ain't never worn them, really.
He's never.
Well, once. Yeah, a lot. A whole bunch.
Looks like he's trying to do circles.
I think Mason likes Tasha.
Whoa.
There's Brian. There's the man. Say hi.
Hi.
Look here. Say hi.
Hi.
Good boy. You're handsome.
Bye.
Say Tasha. Is that Tasha?
Say
There's
bye.
Tasha. Where's Brian? Say Brian.
Say
There's
bye
Brian.
bye. I feel like
He's teasing her.
Your knees
Boy, he's just getting a big kid, ain't he, Hi? That makes me sad. Just a minute ago, he was my little tiny baby. But I'm not sad, because he's a wonderful little boy.
Yeah. Jacking with Brian.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck.
Brian, where's your mama? When she get home, do you know?
Do the birdies!
I know. That stinks. I was hoping to catch her. I'm gonna have to send this to your mom. She'll love this.
You go like this, you go.
You're joking with him.
Do it, Brian. I don't think she'll stay.
Oh, you're gonna grab one too. Look at this. Holy crap, where did that big weed come from?
Does she let to have them?
Yeah, that's okay. Ain't poison ivy, I don't really mind. They're just weeds.
Big.
Big one, yeah.
A flower?
That's a leaf, Mason. Say leaf. That's right, leaf. Good boy. Okay, it can be a flower. It's a pretty flower too, huh, buddy?
Look at his with a fat around his ankles.
He's so handsome. His little tiny legs. He looks so grown up. Facial features and he just looks so grown up.
Doggy.
So smart.